wow, that was amazing. That was okay. That's good. Oh, hi guys. My name is Jazmin. Sorry, I was worrying. It was just that I was worrying about that a cannon was blood. So I decided to do science and feed it. Yeah, get it. Feed it. Get it. Feed it. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's start our science. Okay, first you need working gloves. Put them on, and then get a white t-shirt and put it under this cup. And then you need to use some permanent markers and what is this? Alcohol too, and some drops of water. Let's start. First, you need to put on your gloves because else it will go in your hands. You know how to even wear this thing. That's good. Done. Got it. Now let's color. Yep. Let's first do it pink. You know it's your favorite color. It's my favorite color. I'm just take out my dye. This is not worth it. I almost forgot. This is called a dye t-shirt. Now let's put a plate under. I forgot that one. Oh, I'm gonna put this side so I can start. Put under and then tie it. I'm reaching. I'm hiding. 1, 2. Done, finally. That was hard work. Now let's color it. Now let's use another color. Yep, let's use now one. It's hot colors. Now let's do the second one first, and then take off water in here and then alcohol here. You don't even quite know what is alcohol. Done. Now let's put alcohol. Now, let's wait it. What happened? I can see that one is going to be erased, but this one, nothing happening. That is a good spirit. Let's do the next one. Then take off the rubber band. Taking off it. I'm so scared. And then put something in the front. Pull it a little bit front. You can do many if you want. Now, let's scared. Now it's happening. Now it looks like shooting stars. Like, wah, 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 wah. Okay, bye-bye. Goodbye. But I have one more thing to say. Please subscribe our channel and click the notification and click the thumbs up. And also I have one more to say. Please write my name in that chat. And also, if you want to be my friends, like my videos. Bye-bye.